So these are the last part ng uh, coupling. Meron na yan mga ibang coupling na na-solve natin prior this one. So let us finish this. So for number 4, the total force of 130 kilonewton is required for the flange coupling that has 6 bolts and shearing stress of 38 MPa. Compute the required bolt diameter. Basic to. Basic yan. So, binigyan ka agad ng bolt diameter. Wala kang bolt circle dito. You don't need to kasi binigyan ka lang ng ng force. So for number 4, SS nung iyong bolt, key tuloy nilagay ko. Force over area ng shear. Okay? So binigyan ka dito ng force total. Okay? So force over number of bolts times pi over 4 diameter ng bolt squared. Ang hinahanap ay yung diameter ng bolt. Okay? So diameter of the bolt is equal to square root ng 4F over shearing stress on the bolt, number of the bolts, and then pi. So, solve diameter of the bolt. 4 times the force. Ano ba yung force natin dyan? The force is 130 kilonewtons. Gawin natin 130,000 newtons. Okay? The shearing stress on the bolt, ang binigay dyan ay 38 MPa. 38 Newton per millimeter squared. The number of bolts ay 6. And then pi. So, cancel all same units, Newton, Newton. Diameter of your bolt is, solve natin, 4 times 130,000. So, 38 pi times 6. So, 26.94 basic yan. mm. Next problem. A turbine is connected to a generator by means of a flange coupling that has a bolt circle diameter of 520 mm. The generator output is 50 megawatts and 3,600 RPM yung kanyang spinning rotational speed. And then efficiency niya is 85. So ibig sabihin, ang kukunin mo dun yung sa motor. Okay? If there are 18 volts, determine the force acting on each volt. Okay. Generator output to. Ang nagtatransmit ng power dyan ay yung motor. Drawing natin yung diagram. Okay? So, for number 5, so ito yung motor mo. This is the motor. Okay? Tapos, meron ka ditong coupling. Okay? Coupled siya to a generator. So, the efficiency is 85%. 0.85. Tapos, output niya is 50 megawatts. Okay? And turning ng 3,600 RPM. You want to know the motor power? That is equal to the generator power over efficiency. Ganun yun. Okay? So, this is equal to torque N over factor. Okay? Ang kukunin natin dito yung torque. Kasi ang hinahanap natin dito ay yung force acting on each bolt. Okay? Makukuha natin yung total force. Okay. So, the torque, the force total is equal to twice of the torque over yung diameter ng bolt circle. This is total force. Okay? Ang hinahanap natin yung each bolt. So, this is force on each bolt times number of bolts. Ang hinahanap natin ito. Now, yung force on each bolt is equal to number of bolts. So, twice of the torque, number of bolts, tapos diameter ng bolt circle. Ano yung torque natin? Saan natin makuha dito? Di ba? This is okay, T, tapos generator power times yung iyong factor divide by efficiency times N. Oh, sorry. This is torque. Wala na tong torque. Okay? This is dapat equal sa torque. Yan. Ganyan dapat. Okay? So, pasok natin siya dito. So, twice nung generator power times the factor over efficiency and then N. Divide by number of bolts, diameter ng bolt circle. So, makukuha natin yung force on each bolt. So, the force on each bolt is equal to 2. Yung generator power natin is 50 megawatts. Okay? Times mo na lang ng 1,000. So, 50 times 1,000 para maging kilowatts. The factor is 9549123 Newton, millimeter, RPM, per kilowatt. Divide by, efficiency natin, 0.85. Number of volts ay 18 volts. Diameter ng bolt circle ay 520 mm. And then ang RPM natin ay 3,600. Cancel all same units. RPM, kilowatt, mm. Newton to. Ang kailangan ko ay kilonewton. So, 1,000 Newton per kilonewton. So, cancel all same units will arrive with what value? So, the force on each bolt ay ayan. So, 50 times 2 times 1,000 times 9549123. Okay? 0.85 times 18 times 520 times 1,000 times 3,600. So, the answer is 33.34. Basic. Kilonewtons. Yung madali lang ang couplings. So, last problem. Okay. So, a flange coupling having 200 mm bolt circle and 20 mm thickness uses 8 bolts of 16 mm diameter to connect two shafts. It is used to transmit 80 kilowatts at 200 RPM. Find the factor of safety in bearing if the yield point in compression is 450 MPa. Okay, no problem. So, yield point on number 6. Sabi dito, yung compressive on bolts, that is 2P over diameter ng bolt circle, diameter of the bolt, thickness of the flange, and then number of bolts. Okay? Pinapakuha kasi yung factor of safety. So, ang binigay sa'yo dito, yield point. Okay? Yield point in compression is 450. So, this is 0.6 SY over factor of safety. Ang kukuhanin natin yung factor of safety. May torque bang binigay sa'yo dyan? Alak. Pero meron tayong power. Diba? Power is En over factor. Pwede ko i-reform to na torque is equal to power times factor divide by N. Pasok ko na siya dito, okay lang? So, in terms of factor of safety tayo. So, factor of safety is equal to 0.6 SY. Okay? Multiply to diameter ng bolt circle, diameter of the bolt, thickness of the flange, number of bolts. Divide by twice of the power factor divide by N. Pwede ko na kunin. So, factor of safety is equal to 0.6. Ano yung yield point natin? 450 Newton per millimeter squared. Diameter of the bolt circle is 200 mm. Diameter of the bolt is 16 mm. Thickness of the flange is 20 mm. Number of bolts ay 8. Divide by, okay, aakyat ko na lang yung N. Ilang RPM yan? 200 RPM. Tapos, twice of the power. Power is 80 kilowatts. Multiply to factor na 9549123 Newton, millimeter, RPM, per kilowatt. So, cancel all same units tayo. Dapat walang unit yan kasi factor of safety. So, Newton, millimeter squared, yung millimeter, RPM, kilowatt. So, non-unit na siya. Will arrive with factor of safety. So, what is the factor of safety? So, 18 times. Okay. Ayan. So, 0.6 times 450 times 200 times 16 times 20 times 8 times 200. 2 times 80 times 9549123. So the answer is 18.1. Yung factor of safety. And that is very basic, so that wraps up yung discussion ng coupling chockies.